We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.